Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to permanently delete your EA account, whether it's for privacy, a fresh start, or just done with the platform, this video is for you. I'll show you the exact steps to request account deletion and make sure your data is removed for good. Let's get started. Open your internet browser, either it's Google or Safari. In the search bar, just search help.ea.com and hit enter. This will take you to EA Help Center. Once you're in the EA Help Center page, look around for search bar and search EA account. Look through the search result and click it. On the new page, scroll down a bit and find the sections that says deleting your account. If you cannot find, click the See All topics and you will find it in there. If you see the I want to delete my EA account, click it. And that's how you can permanently delete your EA account. Make sure you're 100% certain before doing this, because once it's gone, there's no going back. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.